So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we disable any app notification from our settings. So to do that, firstly open your settings. After going to your settings, at the search settings click on apps and you can see the option apps and notifications. Just click on that and you can see the apps here and you can see all 97 apps. So I have 97 apps. So choose the app you want to disable notification of. I'm going for Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, just click on notifications. Here you can see you can choose particular options right here, but I'm going to disable the whole notification of Snapchat. So just at the top, all Snapchat notification, just click on off and you will get no notification of Snapchat or the app you have chosen. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.